Pipe network drawing. Pipe junction minimum text overlap. After modeling in water and sewer projects, you need to prepare the plan drawings with pipe network drawing and each pipe and junction details. All the modeling design software produces drawings with all pipe network drawings and the text related to pipe and junction. Special attention is not given by most of the modeling software to place the text and avoid overlap. Hence, most of the pipe network drawing teams spend a lot of time preparing drawings without overlap. To address this specific problem, Smart Network has a unique solution. Water network designs such as Water Hydraulics, Water Gem, EPA Net, Water Hammer, PCSWMM, WaterCAD or Sewer network design software such as Sewer Network, Sewer Gem, Sewer CAD. You need to export junction details and pipe details to CSV format. The drawing file should have all polylines representing pipes in the pipe layer. Note, you have to ensure that easting and northing value in CSV file should not have comma separators while representing the number. If you represent 514657.3 as 5,14,657.3 in CSV file, program will fail to read the data correctly and fail to generate the expected results. Ensure that values do not have the comma in CSV file. Place junction name and elevation by reading a file from standard location, PJTL. In the Smart Network PJTL command, a prerequisite for this command is you should have junction details in junction_info.csv and pipe details in pipe_info.csv. Both files to be saved in C, eSurvey temp. Run the PJTL command. The program will be creating junction details from reading junction_info.csv file. After reading data from CSV, while placing text at junction coordinates, it will check all the possible position to place a text without overlap. Run the PJTF command if you don't want to keep CSV file in temp folder and manually select the file while running the program from its location. This program works similar to PJTL command. Place pipe details by reading a file from standard location, PPTL. After junction text placement, now you can insert pipe details text using the PPTL command, run command PPTL. PPTL command will read CSV file from the standard location C, eSurvey, temp place pipe details text in separate layers depending on the settings you have done for text distances from pipe polyline. Place pipe details by reading pipe_info.csv, PPTF. If you want to select files from a different location, run the PPTF command to choose the junction_info.csv file and then pipe_info.csv file. The program will work similarly to the PPTL command. Find overlapping text in the drawing, find OT. The program will mark all the errors in the error_L layer. However, if you want to find all the text overlaps in the drawing, in Smart Network, there is the command findOT. Using the findOT command, you can find all the text overlap. Start jumping to error circle, SJC, jump to next error circle, JNC. When you create pipe and junction details as explained in previous steps or find all the text overlaps using findOT, circle will be marked where overlaps are there. Those overlaps to be fixed using manual methods as the program could not avoid overlap. Smart Network offers you two commands SJC and JNC command, which will help you quickly locate the portion of drawing where there are errors. When you enter command SJC, start junction correction, the program will zoom to the first circle in error layer after fixing the overlap in that region. Type JNC at the command prompt. The program will zoom to another portion of the drawing where there is another overlap. Ensure that you delete the respective error circles after you fix the overlap. This process is the easiest way to create pipe network drawings without text overlap. If there are still overlaps left in the drawing, you can once again use SJC and JNC command combination and fix the overlapping errors. Create summary of different blocks in the drawing, BTC. In Pipe Network project, multiple blocks in the drawing show various items of the water supply project such as junction, values, pump, etc. If you want to show the summary of all such blocks in the drawing title block portion, you can create a block summary table using the BTC command. Run BTC command and select all blocks to get a summary list and pick a point in drawing to insert a table with a summary. In this video, you have learned how to insert pipe and junction details in the drawing. This program works fine in most cases, but if the height of text in the drawing is high, this program will have too many overlapping texts. When text height of details is more and more overlaps occur, you have to use different sets of programs explained in the following video. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +919 449 599 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.